Hi friends, and welcome back to another episode of Tutorial Tuesday. And this week we will connect again some analog synthesizers to each other, clocked by Cubase and the Matrixbrute, which will play the arpeggiator. And we built up a little song just by tweaking some knobs. This will be one of the last Tutorial Tuesdays on Facebook, I think, because of the announcement of Mark Zuckerberg that videos will no longer be supported by Facebook for music things and promotion of music. So you have to follow me on the YouTube channel, but for now, we're gonna move on to making music. As you can see, I have Cubase. The lit tracks are the tracks which merge the incoming MIDI from the Matrixbrute and will send it to all the devices. So when I switch the camera, you can see it on the top view. I start Cubase now. This is the Matrixbrute. Gonna add some drums to it. Dry clap some effects. And let's bring in the module D. Yes. Thank you for watching. A little explanation. What I've done, I have hooked up the Matrixbrute to the MIDI in of Cubase. I'll show you in Cubase. So what's happening is Cubase is sending the clock. Show you in the transport. I show the destination of the synchronization. You can see that the sync goes to several MIDI outputs like Matrixbrute. So when I start a song, the Cubase clock is sent to the Matrixbrute, which starts. You can see if I switch over to the camera. If I press the play button, you can see that the Matrixbrute is starting like this. You see, it's a response to it, and also the TR8S Roland, the drum machine. So that's hooked up to the synchronization. Well, the Matrixbrute generates MIDI notes with the arpeggiator, and they come back in Cubase. So Cubase says all MIDI inputs go to the MIDI merger, to channel 1, to channel 14, channel 2, channel 10, channel 11, channel 12, and so on. And these are the analog synthesizers I use. And then on the mixer, on this one, the Allen Heat, I mix down the synths, and I decide which synthesizer sound I put up or put down. And so I mix it a little bit, and also I change the frequency of the filters with the synthesizers themselves. And this is kind of building up kind of live situation. This could be a live situation, like my live performances, where I run several sequences and change the whole mix by mixing it with the mixer and filters and stuff like that. I think it's a lot of information, especially when you're not into this material. But I guess the guys and girls who also use synthesizers know what I'm talking about, and well, this is one of the ways you can work with analog synthesizers and clocked with external clock. So I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial. The planning is that I start working with Marquee again for a new track next time. So I hope to see you again then. So for now, thank you for watching. Switch. And if you want to have some more information about me and my music project Energy, visit me at my website www.nrg-music.com. I hope to see you there. You can subscribe to the newsletter. You'd receive 3 free songs then. And yeah, hope to see you there. Thank you for watching.